hello, and welcome back. Whether you're redecorating your Wohnzimmer or just starting your German journey, today we're learning essential living room vocabulary with pronunciation, visuals, and zero stress. Let's turn your sofa into a German learning zone. Ready? Let's go. Wohnzimmer, Wohnzimmer.
Couch, couch.
Coffee dish, coffee dish. Furniture, furniture. Fernbedienung, Fernbedienung. Gardenin, gardenin. Vorange, vorange. Lampy, lampy. Cecil, Cecil. Sofa, sofa. Stellamp, stellamp. Stereoanlage, stereoanlage.
Teppich, teppich.
Regal, regal.
Bild, Bild. Tisch, Tisch.
Stall, stall.
Uhr, Uhr. Fenster, Fenster. Baum.
You just learned 15 plus living room words. Auf Deutsch. Want this vocabulary list with all pronunciations, images, and translations in a free printable PDF? Grab it for free on my Ko-Fi shop. Link in the channel page. Which word was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more stress-free German. Next up, kitchen vocabulary.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Discuss.